Hey, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. All right, so today we're going to talk about dealing with the pending global recession and systematic inflation. We all know it's happening. If you're turning a blind eye to it, man, you're going to get bit right in the ass. Okay. The challenge, though, now for many CEOs is dealing with the systematic cycle of inflation. Rather than reacting to the initial shock of it, however, it's coming. It is coming. Everybody knows it. All the economists agree. And when it comes, it's going to hit hard. Now, these things, typically seem to flip around pretty quickly. But, the crystal ball for most CEOs is a little blurry right now or non-existent. So the companies that do thrive through the next phase of the cycle will be those that see this as an opportunity to differentiate themselves and win. They will do this by being more flexible and agile than their flat-footed competitors, enabling them to respond to setbacks rather than get their ass kicked by them, basically, right? So, we talked about agility before, right? So this is where you got to be agile, willing to change, right? And stay ahead of the market and your competitors. And that way you don't get punched in the face. How do you do that? Depends on your industry, obviously. So the lens is a little unclear now, but we know that. And by knowing that, we need to try to get ahead of it. All right. I hope that was helpful. And thanks for tuning into the dose today. As always, smash that like button. Leave us a comment. You can reach out to us at www.strategicadvisorboard.com. And remember, dream it, believe it, and achieve it. Don't let inflation kick your ass. It's coming. It's coming, y'all. Inflation and the market dump is coming. Be ready for it. It's coming soon. All right. See you on tomorrow's dose.